Howdy y'all. So today we are not doing what we intended to do, which was go out and do some bushcraft camping and do an overnighter with a nice meal. Instead, I have had one of my deer leases that I get to actually lease for free go up for sale. So I am having to clear off my ladder stand and my feeder that I have out there. It's a small acreage setup. So we're gonna get that done, take that out to a second lease that I have, and set that up out there today. And we will probably be going fishing at some point. I brought an ultralight gear setup since it's winter time, and while this is the warmest day we've had in about 2 weeks, I think it's gonna actually get up into the 60s today. The fish ought to still be on their winter finicky pattern that they're kind of at. We will be taking the 1974 El Camino today, so I can haul all of that stuff, because I really don't think I'm going to break down that ladder stand too much. Yeah. It's a bummer that I'm not camping. Some bummer jams. But if I can catch a couple fish today, and knowing that I have my stuff moved out, I ought to be pretty happy with that. I just passed an amazing mailbox. It's a largemouth bass mailbox. Gotta love those things. Hopefully, the ground is dry enough. We've got a lot of rain and a lot of sleet the past couple days that I can just drive the El Camino out and be able to get in closer to where my tree stand is. That way I don't have to drag that heavy thing all the way up. I don't think I'm going to drive the El Camino through that. Well, here's a small 5-acre setup that we have here. You actually see a house in the background down over there. And this is where I have arrowed a couple of deer, including my first buck with a bow. Knowing the neighbors in a situation like this is key. You can see that this is all tore up from the deer. I have thousands and thousands of pictures of deer underneath this little feeder. I think I left that open. $35 Walmart special. See if I can get this done without having to get a ladder out. Jump and a cut. Don't recommend doing that. It's sketchy. Alright, get this stuff up to the El Camino, come back for the ladder stand. I should. Holy hell. Alright, we got it down. Let's load it up in the back, ratchet it down. Can't see out my rear window. That was some sweat. We got sweaty there. Don't hit a car, don't hit a canoe. Don't hit Phil's bug. Park. Oh, sweet white trash, Lord. I gotta move some stuff around here. Get out of my game! We're taking the 74 El Camino out for a spin, hitting a couple ponds at it at the same time. We're right in the middle of a big warm-up at 65 degrees, and 2 days ago it was sleeting and starting to spit snow, so we're gonna get after it and see if we can catch any bass. Slick looking as always. Alright, so this pond is normally a pretty good fishery. It used to be an old farm, and then they split it up into pieces for housing development. You can catch some decent fish out here. It is junky though. Alright, there's the setup, pardon the dog. Switching over this jerkbait, and there's a group of drunk women in a backyard over here singing some Creedence Clearwater Revival, and that seems like the place I need to be. Get a little bit of CCR. These women sound like they know how to party. Alright. If they start singing some Margaritaville, I need Jimmy Buffett. I'm in. See if this sexy shad jerkbait can get anything going on there. Nice. Or, you know, you live this life. Such a life. See if they want some crappie square though. Yeah, they got some yeehaw going on over there. Pond is that basically up to where we fished already is fishable. But once you get past there, this entire back section is just nothing but mat grass that, unless if you are throwing a frog, you can't, it's hard to even punch through it. Well, that all amounted to a bunch of crapola. But I did get to listen to some really hammered girls singing old country songs incorrectly. So I've got that going for me. New spot. Alright, so we're back in the El Camino. That was a hard no on that one. A, the park was crowded beyond belief, so I didn't really take any videos, and B, that water is even nastier than the first place we went to. So, I'm gonna have to make some adjustments and figure something out. Since apparently I can't catch fish today, because I tried those 2 ponds, and then from there just kind of was over it. I have these sweet little wall hangers that I got for Christmas from Kate. and I have this area where we have our velvet Elvis, and while that is really cool, I figure that it might be cooler to have this TC 50 caliber muzzle loader up on the wall instead. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna swap those back out, and I think I might be able to make it go pretty fast by using the magic of editing. Alright, well, as you can see, if I can't catch a fish, at least I can hang up a musket. So I've got that going for me. And since they won't leave me alone, I think it's about time to start making them some dinner. So I'll catch you guys around next time. I think that we're gonna do some trout fishing tomorrow out on the lake. Well, you girls are going to get your nails done, you little vampires. So, well, anyway, yeehaw, and I'll catch you guys around.